Welcome to Litbit channel. Today we will see the heroic tragedy, a shift in tragic form. In introduction part, the heroic tragedy, which becomes prominent in the later half of the 17th century, is a distinctive form of tragedy. Unlike earlier forms of tragedy, the heroic tragedy is more closely aligned with the conventions of the epic or heroic poems than with the traditional tragedy. Definition and key characteristics are: Dryden described the heroic tragedy as an imitation in little of an heroic poem, highlighting the similarity between the two genres. Both share similar elements, the same end, the same character, similar action and passion. The primary difference lies in how these elements are conveyed. While the epics does so through narrations, the heroic play employs action and dialogue. Next one, the role of improbability. One defining features of the heroic tragedy: suspensions of probability. Just like in epic poetry, the events in a heroic play stretch limits of believability. The playwright has a greater liberty of fancy, traditional tragedian, and is not confined by what conventionally credible. Supernatural elements can be introduced much as they are in epic poems. This uses of the improbable helps satisfy the restoration audience craving for romance. Next one, the elevation of reality. The heroic tragedy seeks to represent nature not as it is but magnified to a higher degree. It is a representation of nature raised to a higher pitch, where the plot, character, wit, passions, and descriptions are all isolated above the ordinary. Unlike conventional tragedies, which reflect the commonality of life, heroic plays aspire to grandeur and grandeur alone. Next one, the style of heroic tragedy. The style of heroic tragedy mirrors that relevant nature of its subject matter. It is not concerned in imitating the everyday conversation of real life. The sublime and figurative language is used to express lofty themes and grand subjects, fitting for an epic narrative. Thank you viewers. Thanks for watching this video.